In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $5 over and over again online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. All right, you guys, so today I'm showing you one of my favorite websites to make money online, and that's because I have used this website in the past to make thousands of dollars online. In fact, if you click in the description below, you'll find a link to this video where I talk about how I actually made over $4,000 using this website, which is Fiverr.com. I'm going to show you a different method today for you to start making money with Fiverr. How you can make $5 over and over again by simply offering design services. I want to show you a different product, a different type of service that you can offer to customers on Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the biggest freelancing websites online right now. They get millions of hits every single month. When you actually spend the time to create multiple gigs, you can get $5 payments over and over again because there's so many people looking for services on Fiverr that is nearly impossible not to get a sale. So I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can start using today to start offering your $5 services, and how you can utilize templates and how easy it is to set up this whole thing. Now, before I jump into the video, just a quick reminder that you can download my free affiliate marketing guide below. If you want to make the big money, if you want to make $100, $200 per day, you can download my free guide below. I show you exactly how I do it and how you can do the exact same thing. It's completely free to download. So with that said, I don't want to waste any more of your time, so let's jump right into my computer. Alright, you guys, so like I said, Fiverr is one of my favorite websites to make money online. You've probably seen videos of people who've talked about Fiverr and how much money you can make from Fiverr. Well, I have actually done it. I've actually made money from Fiverr, and I did it using design services. And just keep in mind that I am not a designer whatsoever. I don't have any Photoshop skills. All I know is how to use specific services online to offer design services if you want to use this as a side hustle to make more money. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. As you can see, with Fiverr, you can find any type of services that you want. In fact, if we go here by let's go to the categories. For example, let's click on graphic design. We're going to click on the book covers just to see what we get here. That's what we're going to focus on this video, because I want to show you how you can create really nice professional covers, and you can offer this for $5, $10 per cover, and you can make some good money doing this. You can make $5 over and over again. If you have multiple gigs, you can make even more money. You can see there's people here with over 1,000 reviews. That means they got over 1,000 customers, and they're charging $5 for this type of services. Let me show you some examples. This one right here, this person right here is designing a 3D book cover and box set and DVD set and all this for $5. Now look at this, they have 330 reviews. That means they got over 300 customers, and he's making money by doing this. If you take a look at some of these designs, you'll see that there's really nothing special about this type of designs. I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself without having to know anything about Photoshop or any type of design skills. So if we take a look at another one, this is another one right here. You can see that they have also book covers and guides and things like that. And this is very simple, very easy to do. If we go down, you can see 1,000 reviews. That means they got over 1,000 customers. And best of all, you can see that they have a $5 package, a $20 package, and a $40 premium. So they're making good money by just offering this type of services. So how do you actually offer this type of, look at this. This is $5 right here, and this person probably did this in 10-15 minutes. So if we go to a website called mycovermaker.com, I'm going to link to it in the description below. You can sign up for free. They also have a monthly package that allows you to download and create all types of templates and design templates, which you can use to resell if you wanted to. So let's go down. You can see that you can design book covers and guides and ebooks and pretty much anything. I'm going to show you all the templates that they actually offer, but you get the idea. You can design pretty much anything that you want. This is without Photoshop. This is completely 100% online. So if we go down, you can see that they have a free plan where you can get 5 free trial covers, and they also have the $14.95 per month plan. Now this is the plan that I would actually get if you're planning to do this. If you're going to offer this type of services, this is the best plan, mainly because you can create as many covers as you want, and you can download as many as you want, and that way each time you're charging, you know, $5-10 for each cover, then you're basically getting the membership for free. Because if you just get 3-4 clients per month, that's just paying for your monthly fee right there. So let me show you some of the templates that they offer. You can see they have so many different types of templates which you can use for book covers and bundles and things like that. This is pretty much some of the designs that you see right here, and you can see that pretty much it's pretty much the same thing, and they have so many. If I keep scrolling down, you can see DVDs here and cases, and we got a tablets, and we have so many different types of design options which you can use to provide your services on Fiverr. Now if you're not a good designer, don't worry about it. They have all these features. Once you're done, you can download it and you can send it to your client in a transparent background in different sizes if you want to, and that's gonna help you get 5-star reviews. And that's exactly what this person is doing right here. You can see nothing special about what he's doing, and he's getting some great reviews. So guys, this is very simple to do. Anyone can do this. Doesn't matter where you live, you can do this. It'll take you some time to create, to learn how to use the tool, but like I said, no Photoshop needed. You do the whole thing from within the actual website. Now, if you're not into actually providing designing services, there's so many different things that you can do. Now, imagine if you had 5-10 different gigs offering this type of services for every single template that this guy is actually offered. Because if you take a look at all of this, they have a magazine cover. They have so many different templates. If you have multiple gigs offering this type of design services for each of those templates, then you can spread out and you can get more sales, more possibilities of getting new clients, because you're getting $5 for basically the same thing. Now you know exactly how you can make $5 over and over again using Fiverr.com. All right, so there you have it. Now you know how you can actually start making money with Fiverr. Like I said, this actually doesn't require any technical skills or knowledge. You're simply using templates and you're utilizing the tools that they have on their website to offer your services. So you can put together a very nice design ebook cover or any type of cover that you might be offering in your gig to anyone for just $5, and it's gonna look very professional. The customer is gonna be really happy about it, and you're gonna be $5 richer. So if you can get multiple gigs set up in your Fiverr account, if you have 5-10 gigs offering different types of services, you can get $5 over and over again, because you can get 1, 2, 3 sales per day in those different services. Now, if you don't want to do design services, you can do writing services, or you can do video ads. You can do so many different categories and things that you can do on Fiverr, which allows you to diversify the type of services that you offer, which allows you to make more money. So I do hope that this video was actually very valuable to you. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So for now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.